Bonjour everyone! No, we're not here to teach fluent French unless you count saying oui oui every time sounds fancy.
Or dramatically saying c'est la vie when your coffee is spilled. But really, today isn't about learning the language. It's about feeling the culture. French culture, the one that inspired artists, chefs, philosophers, rebels, romantics, and yes, Instagram influencers.
We titled this talk More Than Baguettes for a reason. Because while the food is chef's kiss, literally, French culture goes deeper. Centuries of art, revolutions, fashion that makes you question your entire wardrobe, and cafes where people sit for 3 hours with one espresso and a note.
So buckle up, you don't need a visa, but you might need a croissant by the end of this. We're taking you to the journey through the soul of France, beyond the Eiffel Tower selfies and tourist routes. Are you ready? Let's go! Let's start with something iconic, art. France isn't just home to the Louvre, it is the Louvre of culture. You got Monet's lilies, Rodin's tinkers, and even graffiti in Paris that looks like it belongs in the gallery.
And speaking of thinkers, France gave us existentialism. Ever heard of Sartre, Camus, Simone de Beauvoir? These were people who asked the big questions like,
Why are we here? Is it okay to wear black every day?
Spoiler, in France, the answer is always yes.
Now let's talk about fashion. The French didn't invent fashion, but they made it an art form. Coco Chanel basically told the world you can be comfy and elegant, and people listen. Paris Fashion Week isn't just a calendar event, it's a cultural summit.
And then there's food. Yes, the baguette gets a lot of love, but what about fromage? French cheese is so good, it has laws protecting it. Literally, there's a cheese council, a council.
And don't even get us started on the French dining culture. It's not about scarfing food, it's about savoring life. A dinner can last 3 hours. You eat, you talk, you debate the meaning of life over a creme brulee.
Creme brulee?
And let's not forget romance. French isn't called the language of love for nothing. There's something about the way French people talk, move, even argue. It's all poetry. They can turn "you forgot the trash" into a sonnet.
French culture is about living with intention, about noticing beauty, expressing emotion, and not rushing. Whether it's the way they greet each other with the kisses on the cheek, or spend Sunday in the park doing absolutely nothing, and loving every second of it.
And their revolutionary spirit, it's legendary. France doesn't just embrace change. They wave banners, chant in the streets, and say,
We want liberté, égalité! phrase isn't just a motto, it's a mindset, a reminder that culture isn't static, it evolves.
And the French, in their own poetic, pastry-fueled way, keep shaping it. So yes, France is croissants, and berets, and charming cafes and covered seats. But it's also resistance, creativity, philosophy, and passion in every detail. It's the courage to wear all black with red lipstick, the audacity to take a 2 hours lunch break,
The wisdom to know that life isn't just about existing, it's about living beautifully.
French culture teaches us to value time, art, love, and of course, cheese. It tells us that elegance isn't just in fashion. It's in how you carry yourself, how you treat others, how you speak, and even how you disagree.
So the next time you bite into a baguette, we hope you remember you're not just tasting bread.
You're tasting centuries of tradition, rebellion, and magic. And if you suddenly find yourself sipping espresso slowly, dressing effortlessly chic, and letting out a dramatic at random moments, don't worry. That's just a little je ne sais quoi working. It's magic à la française.
Then congratulations! A little bit of French culture has found its way into your soul.
Merci and vive la culture!